Listening to English every day is the best way to improve. No pressure, no stress. Just 5 minutes of easy learning.
Japan's most famous onsen. A journey through the best hot springs. Japan is home to thousands of onsen hot springs, each offering a unique blend of relaxation, natural beauty, and cultural significance. From the steaming volcanic baths of Kyushu to the snowy Rotenburo outdoor baths of Hokkaido, Japan's onsen culture is deeply rooted in its history and daily life. In this article, we will explore some of the most famous and iconic onsen towns across Japan, each offering a special hot spring experience. 1. Kusatsu Onsen Gunma, Japan's #1 hot spring. Kusatsu Onsen, located in Gunma Prefecture, is consistently ranked as Japan's best onsen. The water, sourced from Yubatake hot water field, is famous for its strong acidity, which is believed to kill bacteria and promote skin health. Highlights: Yubatake, a large, steaming hot spring field in the center of town. Yumomi performance, traditional method of cooling the hot water using wooden paddles. Outdoor bathing, Sino-Kawara Rotenburo offers an open-air bath surrounded by nature. With its charming streets, traditional ryokan, and high-quality water, Kusatsu is a must-visit for any onsen lover. 2. Hakone Onsen Kanagawa, the scenic retreat near Tokyo. Just a short train ride from Tokyo, Hakone Onsen is one of Japan's most accessible and popular hot spring destinations. The area is known for its variety of baths and stunning views of Mount Fuji. Highlights: Lake Ashi and onsen views. Enjoy soaking while gazing at Mount Fuji. Unique themed onsen. Places like Unesen offer baths with wine, coffee, and even sake. Traditional ryokan experience. Luxurious inns like Gorakaden provide an unforgettable stay. Hakone is perfect for a quick escape from the city, blending nature, history, and relaxation. 3. Beppu Onsen Oita, the onsen capital of Japan. Located in Kyushu, Beppu is famous for its high concentration of hot springs. It boasts over 2,000 onsen sources, making it one of the most active geothermal areas in the world. Highlights: The Hells of Beppu, Jigakumegiri, a tour of stunning, colorful hot springs that are too hot for bathing but fascinating to see. Mud and sand baths, unique experiences like mud baths in Myoban Onsen and sand steaming in Beppu Beach sand bath. Diverse water types, Beppu offers a variety of mineral-rich waters with different healing properties. Beppu is a paradise for those looking to explore multiple types of onsen in one place. 4. Noboribetsu Onsen Hokkaido, the Valley of Hell. Noboribetsu Onsen, located in Hokkaido, is one of Japan's most powerful and diverse onsen areas. The hot spring water here comes from Jigokudani Hell Valley, a volcanic crater emitting sulfuric steam. Highlights: 10 different water types, each with unique minerals, offering various health benefits. Jigokudani Hell Valley, a dramatic volcanic landscape with boiling hot springs and steaming vents. Daiichi Takamotoken, a famous ryokan with multiple large baths, showcasing different water sources. During winter, soaking in an outdoor bath surrounded by snowy landscapes makes Noboribetsu a truly magical experience. 5. Jero Onsen Gifu, one of Japan's top 3 onsen. Jero Onsen, located in Gifu Prefecture, is historically recognized as one of Japan's top 3 onsen, alongside Kusatsu and Arema. It is known for its smooth, skin-beautifying water. Highlights: mild and silky water, perfect for sensitive skin, leaving it soft and moisturized. Public baths. The town offers free foot baths and affordable day-use onsen. Onsen Gai Hot Spring Town, a picturesque riverside town filled with traditional inns. Jero Onsen is an ideal relaxation spot for those looking for a peaceful and historic onsen experience. 6. Arima Onsen Hyogo, Japan's oldest onsen. Located near Kobe, Arima Onsen is considered one of Japan's oldest hot springs, dating back over 1,300 years. It features 2 unique types of water. Highlights: Kinno-yu golden water, iron-rich and reddish-brown, known for its healing properties. Jinno-yu silver water, a clear, carbonated spring that helps with muscle relaxation. Samurai and Emperor's favorite onsen, Arima Onsen has been loved by historical figures for centuries. Despite its small size, Arima Onsen is highly prestigious, attracting visitors looking for traditional elegance. 7. Ibusuki Onsen Kagoshima, the sand bath experience. Located in southern Kyushu, Ibusuki Onsen is famous for its Tsunamushi sand baths, where visitors are buried in warm volcanic sand. Highlights: Sand baths, a unique experience that promotes detoxification and blood circulation. Natural geothermal activity: the ground naturally heats the sand, making it a natural sauna. Beautiful coastal views: relax while enjoying a view of Sakurajima volcano. For those looking for a different type of onsen, Ibusuki's sand baths offer an unforgettable experience. 8. Dogo Onsen-Heim, Japan's oldest public bathhouse. Located in Shikoku, Dogo Onsen is another one of Japan's oldest hot springs, with a history of over 1,000 years. It is said to have inspired the bathhouse in Studio Ghibli's Spirited Away. Highlights: Dogo Onsen Honken, a beautiful, historic bathhouse with an elegant, castle-like design. Royal bathing rooms: the bathhouse has private rooms once used by the Japanese imperial family. A blend of tradition and modernity, the area has been renovated, offering both old and new onsen experiences. Dogo Onsen is perfect for those wanting to soak in a historically rich atmosphere. Conclusion: Japan's onsen culture is deeply connected to health, relaxation, and tradition. From the famous acidic waters of Kusatsu to the stunning volcanic landscapes of Noboribetsu, each hot spring town offers a unique experience. Whether you seek scenic outdoor baths, luxurious ryokan, or unique healing properties, Japan has an onsen for everyone. A visit to an onsen is more than just a bath, it's a journey into Japan's natural beauty and ancient traditions. So, where will your next onsen adventure be?